What's up everybody, so we have seen the first look of the upcoming Huawei's Mate 50 Pro in later stream days from a reputable leakster. But the release date of the Mate 50 series was unknown until now, so Huawei has finalized the launch date for the Mate 50 series launch event. And it could happen by the end of August, which is suggested by Avivo tipster, so Huawei has not published the launch date for this flagship on the official channels, but we could expect the warm-up to start next month. And now the exact date of the launch event is unknown, but it is confirmed that the flagship will launch in the end of August, which is like a month away from now. Moving on, in my recent video I told you guys that Huawei introduced its own imaging brand called XMage as an alternative of Leica branding, and while making that video it was not confirmed that the upcoming Mate 50 series will get the XMage branding or not, but now it seems that the Mate 50 series will surely get the imaging sensor from XMage, and it's already in the news. So here is our best look at to the branding and camera design of the Mate 50 series. So as always, from different side, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro features a curved display with a wide notch on the head to feature different types of camera sensors. The front side also has curved edges on the left and right sides of the display, and here is the rear side of the Huawei's Mate 50 Pro. As you can see, the rear side of the phone consists of a large camera including different sensors like the main camera, ultra-wide angle camera, and a periscope camera. However, this camera formation is not confirmed officially yet, but there are high chances that the smartphone will end up looking like this from all the angles. Anyway, the camera design is round and the module has a large cutouts to host the rear camera system. That's not it though. The Huawei Mate 50 renders also has XMage branding, which is quite nice to see. And keep in mind one thing, it's not just a text. Huawei itself said that the XMage camera will equip with some of the powerful technologies, and that will be the highlighted feature of the device along with the Harmony operating system 3.0, which will again make the smartphone fluent and more powerful than any other Huawei phone available right now. So just imagine how good will the smartphone be with a new imaging sensor and a major update of the Harmony operating system 3.0 version. Obviously fantastic. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.